Very beautiful bread. Can't beat that. We're gonna make smoked salmon capers pizza. We're gonna put the capers and salmon and some chives on it after we take it out of the oven. First, we're gonna send it with olive oil, mozzarella cheese, and parmesan cheese. A little bit of olive oil. We'll spread the olive oil. Parmesan. Mucho parmesan. People love the cheese here. Fury di latte. Ricotta. So today we did 2 pizzas with ricotta cheese. Let's send it to the oven. Go back. Little primer. Look how beautiful. See how nice? Everywhere. Evenly cooked. And now we're gonna start putting this beautiful smoked salmon. Chives. Look how pretty. And parsley, Italian parsley. Now the capers. Make it salty and tasty. A little bit of olive oil. As you can see, the colors are insanely beautiful. And the taste, you're gonna trust me on that. I'm gonna eat one. See, with all the ingredients or the toppings still holding very well. I'm gonna eat it American way. Very beautiful bread. Can't beat that.